Hi, Phanessa here. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to work a 3-needle bind off or 3-needle cast off. Okay, so you will need a 3rd needle. I want to cast off at the end of my tube. So what you want to do first is divide your stitches. I have 22 stitches and I want to make sure it matches this side. So I have 11 stitches here and 11 stitches here. So to work a 3-needle bind off, you need a 3rd needle. And what you're going to do is insert your needle in the first stitch here as if to knit, so knitwise. And then you do the same for the one in the back. Insert your needle as if to knit, knitwise. And then you're going to wrap your yarn around your needle and knit both of those stitches together. And then pull both loops off. Now, if you're familiar with binding off or casting off, you need to knit another stitch. So I'm going to insert my needle through the first loop on this needle, and then I'm going to insert my needle through the second loop in the back needle, and they're both worked knitwise. Okay, so knit and pull through both of these loops and then slide them off the needle. Now you want to take this loop and pass it over this loop to bind off. So using the tip of one of these needles, grab the loop, the first loop, and then pass it over the one you just knitted. Okay, so that's what you're going to repeat all the way to the end. Knitwise through the first loop, knitwise through the second loop, and knit both of these together. Pull them off the needle. Okay, now we're going to pass this loop over this loop. Okay, I'm at the last 2 stitches. And now I'm done. Okay, so that is how you work a 3-needle bind off. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos. I'll see you next time.